Bonjour, hi! Welcome to this recorded live session from Twitch. It will be a very long video, that's why I put timestamp in the description so you could skip to the part that interests you. Also, if you want to know exactly when I'm streaming, go visit twitch.tv/fbucheros. But for now, let's watch this session.
And we're live! Welcome, Cloudies, to this Friday chill stream. Welcome aboard. Welcome to the sky, the playground, because, you know, it's not the limit. The sky is not the limit, it's the playground. This is where we have fun, and I will just put my phone on vibration because I did not follow my checklist this morning. Because yes, it's the morning where I am, but it might be another time for you, or if you're watching on YouTube, welcome. All my videos are live on Twitch and then archive on YouTube. If you would like to know more, go at twitch.tv/fbucheros. I stream twice a week, every Thursday and Friday. It's been a while. I didn't stream on Tuesday. So, yeah, I have a few things to show you today. Let's switch. Quick introduction, right? I'm too chill this morning. I'm Frank Boucher. I'm a Microsoft cloud advocate, and I'm passionate about cloud computing. And I really like to build stuff, application, tools. I like the open source, so I'm a .NET developer, though it's been a while since I really did a lot of coding, and that's why I started streaming and focusing a little bit more on code instead of architecture. To get back to it, be closer to developers, I really like that. So I'm happy to stream twice a week. I would do more, but it wouldn't be without consistency. So sometime like this week, I did unscheduled stream. Sometime it will happen, but I keep my schedule at twice a week. So this way, try to be very consistent. It was harder at the beginning of the year because I was traveling a lot, but now I'm not traveling anymore. Well, for a little while at least. A little long while, I think. So the plan of today, probably again a 2 hour and a half stream. I still have that meeting every time. I want to work again on the Azure URL Shortener. That's a project we created a few weeks ago now, and I want to add a few functionality. I'm kind of passing through all the links, not the links, but the issue. Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. So this is the screen. And now I'm in my dashboard, my Kanban glow board. I love that tool. It's very visual. So right now we are working on this one here. And everything is synced to GitHub. So the project is also in GitHub. If you go here, let me put the link in the chat. Boom. So it's there. Very simple URL shortener. It's a budget one that you own, that you have end-to-end full control of it. There's a serverless backend, so you only be charged tiny bits, very low cost on that part. And then you have the front end. Right now we're working on a website, so kind of a little bit too big website front end, but I needed something quick. And since I did a lot of website in the past, that's where I feel comfortable. Probably next week, or maybe not next week. Next week's, soon, maybe not next week, the week after, we'll start building a new front end using Blazor WebAssembly. I'm really looking forward to do that. I needed to read a little bit to get started. I don't mind streaming. I want to learn, I want to practice, I want to get better, but I still need a little bit of base. So I did some reading last weekend, and this week I just want to finish a few things. So that's why we're not still working on that. So I mentioned next week I won't be doing Blazor because I don't know if you're aware, but there's an event called Microsoft build next week, and I'm involved in that, like a lot of people, because it will be a huge event, and it's all online in your time zone. There will be like 3 kind of repetitions, so in your time zone you have all the content. It's a bunch of live event with chat where you could ask question, get answer. There's workshop, there's community, there's so much content. It's incredible. It's completely free, so go there, register right now. It will be an awesome experience. Honestly, wow, it will be very, very cool. A lot of stuff, a lot of talks, and it will be very, very awesome. Oh yeah, so not this page, this page. I'm part also of the live coder. If you notice in the on the top corner over there, there's the little logo here, live coder. So I'm part of a team on Twitch called the Live Coders, and it's a very awesome group that stream right now. See all my friends that are live right now, and we are 157 members of that team, that group, that are passionate by the technology and to share. So here we are on the page of Tim Baudet, who was streaming for his game. Is building like a car game and sharing all his knowledge. It's really, really, really great. We'll keep that page close by because we'll use it at the end of the stream to find someone else to raid. Also here you can see the livecoder.net webpage where you have all the information about the members. You could see more. Where is, like, if you want to go here, team members. So we have all the description, all the and my internet is getting a little bit slow. So we have all the members, how to reach them, like C# Fritz, Jeffrey Fritz, that is our leader in this group. He started everything. See, this is me, yay. So super nice. And if you don't know like who's streaming when, you can always go here on the first page and you go and check here the live coder heat map. And I love that thing because you could see, but now there's a bug, I think, because it's not refreshed. But it's all GitHub, so you could do a PR. But usually you see a heat map, and when you click, you see who was streaming. So you could see, oh, like who's streaming on my time zone. This is adjust to your time zone. This is also very, very cool. So it adjusts and says, okay, you know what? I have time usually on Sunday. Who's streaming? So you could click and check, okay. And since usually a streamer is streaming kind of a schedule, you have a good idea. So this is really cool. I like that. And if you are interested, because a lot of people are asking, hey, how can I become a member of this awesome community? There's instruction, not instruction, but there's information about how to become member from that webpage. So livecoders.dev, but it's really easy. You just need to be friendly, consistent, and there it is. I lost my chat. There it is. There you are. Oh, I forgot to put back the music. So I was deploying this morning, so everything looked good. Excellent. It's a little bit small, so let's zoom. Boom, boom. And apparently I forgot to turn notification off. No, I did. So let's kill a few apps. Epic game. I was doing some Red Dead Redemption yesterday. Some gaming, and I forgot to shut down the app. Okay, so this is cool. Okay, bye-bye. So now let's go to the website. Oh, that's Discord. I thought... Why Discord is... Shouldn't be doing no noise. So hello Cloudy. So this is our app. It's working. So now if right away I'm trying to go manage, we'll see here that, you know, I'm not authorized. So I need to register. So I need to go there. Take my fake email and wow, I have fingers full of thumb today. Okay, so now we have that. So let's create a few links. So let's create one here. Let's call that project. So it's working. I could click on that. It's working. And now if I refresh here, the click should turn to 1. Excellent. So now let's create, I don't know, Stack Overflow. Apparently I don't search that. No, not me. Just Stack Overflow. Okay, add a URL. Boom. Just save. So it's generate stuff. Cool. So it's working. So what we are working on, let's go back to Get Kraken. Oh yeah, I start mentioning that and I never show. So the board, it's active, it's there, but if you go, you have access also to that even if you don't have Get Kraken. So from that page you can always go and see all the issues. They are synchronized, so you see all the labels are there, and we are working right now on this one. See it, it's assigned to me. You could go and you see it that way, so that's pretty cool. And I still not done yet, so that's why it's in feature branch. But if you go back to the home page, if you scroll, I should maybe put a tiny, I think I should do that, put a kind of a little screenshot. That could be cool. You could see it from there also. Maybe I should do a screenshot, put it tiny on the side. Let's do a screenshot. I like that. Let's move this. Yeah, I like that. This is cool. Though I could no, leave that emptiness there. So we'll say glowboard. Screenshot. And this is how you get derail from your project. You thought you were doing one thing and then like, yep, nope, doing something else. Well, we'll get in the code very soon. I know it's early anyway. Shouldn't. What are you drinking? Everybody is on coffee. I'm on the water. I didn't have the time to prepare my second coffee this morning. I was moderating a stream from a friend, and yeah. What are you drinking? How was your week, folks? How was your week? Tell me in the chat. Any plans for the weekend? Oh, I think I don't have that full project open. No, I don't. Let's open the full project. Azure Url Shortener. Oh, and I should do that. Image resize. I want something small. Let's say 400 pixel. We'll start by that. So if I bring this thing in media, so at the root, boom. Oh, we'll need that, but not now. I should. Let's do it now. Since we're working with function, it's a good idea to have the last function tool. So just going, fetching the information. Hopefully it's working well. Since I'm live streaming, my internet could be a little bit slower. Next week, so in Canada where I live, we still cannot do a lot of activities outside, but on May 20, after starting May 20, we can start doing more. So I'm looking forward, because guess what? I will be doing some kayaking. I've been waiting for that. My sea kayak is in my garage, it's just calling me, Frank. It would be fun to stream a little bit, but not to stream, to kayak. That will be nice. This weekend I don't know what I will be doing. Maybe I will work, I don't know the temperature. If the temperature is good, I will make some progress on, you know, with the plants and the garden and the... Is it done? I feel like it's taking forever. I'll finish. It was right in my face. It was right in my face.
Go now! Don't drop the banana! Why not? Good source of potassium!
Yeah, I didn't drop the banana. I stopped reading English. Okay. So we'll do this. We'll go at the main page. And we'll add a new reference. And where it was contributing, here the glow board was there. So we'll put the image here, see what it does. I think I want it on the next line. And I should make it also a link. Right. So whatever you click on the link or on the image, you will land on the board. Whoop. Save. What? How can I make it? I want it inside. There it is. If I do this, okay, cool. So we have this. Since this is just documentation, we'll push it in master right away. Why I still have notification? I don't understand why I have notification. Should be quiet, right? Oh, is it in my channel? Oh yeah, it's me. It's a me, Mario. So let's go back here. So now if I refresh, we'll have a little board. Yay! 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 Okay, so now let's switch back to our branch. So Git Kraken is not only a board, it's also a Git UI. So I want to go back to the feature here. So we'll do that. And now we should, oh, in fact, let's go back and master. No, it was local, so I'm fine. Okay, so let's go back in our add title branch. And now what I want to do is merge whatever was in master and bring it to that. And why I like it so much, this tool, is I could just drag and drop. Merge master into feature add title. Voila. See, and now I have I fixed some images because I thought yesterday when I was looking into that it was not clear. It was a YouTube video, so I just add the little logo in the middle. Did the same with the other. Now we had this. Cool. So we have that. So now let's focus on what we are working on. And it's when you enter a new URL, we want to have a title. So we did yesterday. So that is this page here. It's the full project. So we don't need that for now. Let's put it on the side. we start working in the function. So this is our function. Oh, maybe I should just reopen my this one. Which extension? C#? Nah. Oh yeah, but we should push through since we merge, just to keep things clean. Excellent. And the blip, because in my Discord, you can join the Discord if you want. I have a Discord. I'm trying to be more active over there. It's not a reflex. I'm trying now. I create a channel for the project. I'm trying to be more, you know, share and everything, keep people involved and have some fun. So I will be more present over there. I don't know, I was feeling guilty of putting anything in there. I know it's kind of stupid, but yeah. Okay, so what we did on the last stream was we create, so now when you create a new short URL, this is the function you will call here, the URL, the URL shortener, and now we have a title. So if you go here, now if you pass title, I create it and do it a title. Though there's no problem if we, for example, if we check in Azure, this is all the project, and the URL table we are using right now is the URL data 5QB. So let's go in my, oh, I didn't open it. Maybe I should try it. There's an extension apparently in Visual Studio to explore the table storage. Oh, I like the Azure Explorer. So let's go in my Azure subscription. And no, not this one. The Perso one. Okay, so it was the 5QB, so this one will have different tables. We should have two tables. Yep, we have click stats. So click stats is where I will put the timestamp. So eventually we'll be able to build a nice graph or something like that to like see when your data was entered. And in URL data details, this is where I save information. So here, see, we have our two so we have our two record. The first one is just to keep track of where you are, like the, you know, the generated key end of URL. So here we have our two item, and as you can see, since I didn't pass, I don't have any way right now. I didn't refresh my my code, so it's still only using the version where I don't have the title. So we're working on that. It's not in dev. It's not in master. But if you are passing the master, here we have, if now you're passing title, I will also save that information. So that's cool. When you push, you have that information. But now what I need is to resurface that to the UI. So I will need to also edit the where is it, list URL, and bring it, though it should, would it be automatic? I'm curious. You know what, let's run it and see if what's working. So that's why I have the last version of the tool because I'm running the Azure function locally. Please remove extension bundle configuration from host. Okay, I will just take a note of this. Just in case. Wow, this is big. Okay. Boom. Okay, so let's try to do as it's written. Let's try again. In Insomnia, let's go in local. I have URL shortener. I have a list. Cool. Okay, look like it's working. So let's create a new. Okay, first let's do a get. Can I? So let's just send this. Error. Oh yeah. Of course it won't work. Local. I need to create a new one. That will be local, and it will be URL list. Cool, we'll move it here, and where is it? This is our URL. Do I need to pass something? Oh yeah, we need to update the connection. If I go in settings and local settings, yeah, I need to update my connection. Oh. The URL data storage, so we need to go in this thing, go access key, connection string. I delete that every stream. Should have a better way to do that, but that's fine. I don't think that one is used though. Cool. Let's start again. Oh, is it? Okay, now it's ready. Let's try again. There it is. So we have our information. Oh, cool. And it's working like we have the title. That's excellent. It's returning null. Okay, and yeah, now before we go in the front end, we also that's one of the information we should be able to update, right? So let's go back here. We'll just stop our function. And boom, 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 boom. What was the error message again? Saying it was blah 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 shouldn't be real. Let's try to save some characters. "12 character over." Okay, so now what we want to do is change the code when we edit. We want to give the backend, like we want to be able to support a change in the title. So this function is URL update. So we go there, and now we should change the input and the output. So let's just go grab here in the URL shortener. We had the line with the title. We'll do this and go back here. maybe. I think I will stand up. And left off. I should have an animation for that. Prepare to left off. In fact, I want to change my introduction to have something like that. That's good. That's good. We'll go just grab something. There it is. There it is. Am I fully on the screen with that quarantine stuff? I think it's good, right? Yeah, I think it's good. Excellent. Let's pump the music a little bit. Great. So, okay. So now we have like the information, but we want to support it for real. So we should have something that extract it. I think by default. So yeah, so if it's present, I will get it. So that's cool. But when you do the update here, that was a little function we did because we didn't want to call the create the save, because the save will override our stats. So we go load the information and just map the new information. So if I dig into this one, here I have it. So see, it was just like the original URL. So what we need now to do is add also the original, and then we'll do title equal URL entity dot title, because now you can also have the title edited, right? Cool. So yeah. That's it. That's it. I think that's it. So if I F5 this, Okay, so now it's working. So if I go update, first let's go run a URL list. So here we had the let's take this one. So the row key was project partition P. So if we go in local update, so partition P, row key was project, the URL will stay the same, but we will add a title. So that, and now we should add a title. So short URL is not there. Why the short URL is not present? If I do list, the short URL is there, but not when I do the update. Okay, let's have a look. But it's working, so now we'll be ready for the to update our UI. That's nice. Doot, doot, doot. That's cool. Okay, so let's see the difference. So let's see when we get URL list. Oh, I build them. That's why. Could I? Could I? No, I was waiting for the list. Utility. I'm not sure if like the host. Yeah, I don't have the request. Just trying to see if I wrap this functionality could be useful, but then I need to pass that anyway. That line will, so it's just one line. I could do something like then I return Is it really better? Not sure. So here I could just do something like that. I could even save that line and put it there, but I think I like it this way. So that will be for the list. And now for the update. Here, what we should do is something like that. But there's no list here, so we'll just do this. And it will be result. So that should work. So let's try to run it then. Boom. Grab more water. I like the music so far today. You see my nice little bottle for Microsoft startups. Love it. Cool, so it's there. Let's try. So if we do a local URL list, should still work. Yep. And now if we do a URL update, yay, it's working. Kind of. Of course it is working, Frank. Yeah, I know, but you know, still. Cool. No drops today. I like that at the cloud. I need to, I think I say that every stream. I need to put something so I have always cloud in my screen. So close. So close. If you want to try it, you just need to do ! drop in the chat and you will be parachute. Okay, so this is working, this is cool. So now we can go and build our UI. Yay. So I will be able to edit my stuff. Cool. So if we look here, we don't have any UI, but that's prod anyway. Not prod. Our prod, the stream prod, not the prod. And when we edit, we don't have yet the title, so we'll add this. So we need to go in this project. No, that's a function. This project. So see the different purple, and we should push that. So now we have more change. So what did we change? So domain, we changed the helper. Yep. Utility we did. I'm not sure of that, but I think if we think about the clean code book, I didn't read that book yet. I started, but yep, that's cool. And then update that. Cool. In URL list. In URL list, I didn't have anything, right? I could put some duck also. I really like the duck. So in update, we had that thing, so we'll just put it there. In URL list, I have nothing, so let's add that. So the input is nothing. And the output is a full object. It's not. Again, I'm doing that because I saw that and I really liked it from a project I start working on. Like I'm reusing some in that project. It's my automatic video converter. And I'm using some Azure function that was created by other folks, and they had that, and I really like it. So they don't specify here if it's what type of call it is. We don't see if it's a get, a push, or whatever. Okay, so we'll leave it that way. So now it's clear there's no input. And if you do update, then yes. I could do that also. Cool, since that's all the stuff for the backend, we'll be able to do that. So let's add, so now backend AZ function backend supports title. Stage everything. Boom. Cool. Could push it. Excellent. And bloop bloop, because okay, so now we want to go in the UI and try our best to do a nice UI, but I'm not a UI guy. No, yeah. Okay, so let's add a property here because we will need one. Will be a string, and it will be title. And in short URL requests, so if we go in my URL razor thing, okay, I just need to add the and that will be the property title. So now in the edit, I should have done a thing. What do they call that again? Hey gamer, welcome back to the daily dev grind. Exactly. Welcome, gamer. Well, how do they call that again? I forgot. The component, component, I think. And that's when you create one. So I also need that when you create one. How was your week, gamer? Still working? Or the week is done for you? So that's cool, and now we need also to add. So I'm thinking. In 1 hour, you're done. Any plans for the weekend? Surviving? Gaming? Binge TV? Some series? I have a lot to do today. Okay, so let's start our function in the background. So let's F5 this. So what I'm listening to, because the music has been good today. Upbeat. Upbeat is my type of music apparently when I'm streaming. Oh, and now they talk. Now it's less my type. It's good. It's a good. Go out with son and wife, enjoy the weekend, no concrete plans. Well, sounds like the great plans. My daughter is like that. Every time I ask her, any plans? She, nope. I don't have plans. She have a lot of stuff to do, but no plans. Okay, so I thought the span will have I think I want the title always. I'm just trying to have like a good way to display the information, right? The long URL, if we have a title, like the long URL is not that useful. You need to have a glimpse at it, but so how could we fix that? Are we making a separate column for the title? If yes, so it should be here, and we put title, right? So here instead we'll have his own column. I think I know what I will be doing. So here will be something like that. Boom. Oh, I like the fact that it's clear. And this, and here I would like to have maximum width. I don't know how to say. I would like to cut the string. And when you mouse over kind of thing, I show you everything. See, if you have a very long URL here, let's go into docs. Try to have a long URL. Documentation about something Azure. Let's go app service. Oh, Azure function I should have go. Damn, the URL always short. I want a long URL. Okay, that's longer. So let's create a new URL. Oh, I had an error. No, here. Let's stop it. Well, the short URL requests maybe doesn't have the property title. That's the thing. Short URL requests. There it is. I don't have it. And I will need to do the same kind of thing. Okay. Or do I? What happens if I don't do that? So hey, John Wick! It is C#. So you were close. You were close. It was not C++. It was C++++. So C#. So let's add a new one. And we're still crashing, right? Yep. What is happening? What is happening? So when we do create null reference object, not set reference. What was the error? I don't understand the error. So show pop up. Now this we just add the new property title, so it is there, right? It is there. Oh, did I fix? Let's close this thing. Yeah, I'm bind to this. Oh, is it? That's the thing. That's what. It was all me. How was your week? John Wick 621. A good time? Any plans for the weekend? I'm asking everybody. I don't have any plans, so I'm hoping someone will come with a magnificent suggestion. So let's remove this. It was just a typo and I couldn't see it. So now we should have like, whoa, yeah. The URL to redirect. Boom. Title. So I want something. So here I would like to shrink that and have just the beginning, and maybe if you mouse over you have more detail. You know what? I was watching John Wick 1 this week, a few days ago. Not yesterday. Yesterday I'd play Red Dead Redemption. So a few days ago, I don't remember when. But 2 days ago, I think. And yeah, that movie is sick. The first one is really cool. And I think the two others are great too. But the first one, you had that build up of badass kind of thing. Really nice. Okay, so how could we... Maybe I'm asking too much. Like this is purely AI. Already have interrogation point, so let's just add a new parameter just to see if things are working. Yeah. Oh, I need to wait to refresh. Yeah, cool, it's working. Yeah, being John Wick. Badass. So, HTML. Mouse over. But so this is all working. And here, what do I have as property? On mouse over. I have on mouse over. Or is it tooltip or something like that? You know, when you mouse over, you could display stuff. What we want? My dad just came out. Just want to play. It's not time, buddy. It's not the time. HTML tooltip. Just title. Okay. So this is what I want to do. I want to do title and then put the full here. And here I just want to put like a substring. From 0 to, I don't know, 20? Let's say this is long enough. How long is that? Am I supposed to see my location of my, no, if I select? Oh no, you're resolving conflict? Oh, that could be a pain. What tool do you use? Any tools? So let's try to see. I put how much? How long I put the... I think 20. I think 20 is short. Let's start at 25. I think we'll go like 50, but let's go 25. Let's F5 that. Cool. So yeah, I could go double, right? So I could go 50 easy. Gamer says, I'm usually using the JetBrains line of tools. The diff merge window is okay. As the code compilation issue, diff view tool. Okay. Should have just done .com. So which one? There's a diff. Are you in Writer? In Writer you are, or in ReSharper, or if you say IDE, I'm assuming it's Writer. I had installed Writer for years without really playing with it. Cool. Not that it's bad, it's just every time I was like, oh, like I don't have the time to whoop. Okay. Fenchy, so I need to put some kind of 50 is too long. You're coming from the Java world. Ah, that's why. I don't know, it's good. I mean, it looks like a very cool tool to use. Just I come from a database, and then I switched to code a long time ago, did a lot of VB things, and I switched to C# as soon as C# came out. I did learn the C and C++, that's cool. And the only thing I did in Java, at one point in my career, I was like, oh, maybe I should learn Java. There's a lot of people playing with Java. So I had a thing called Java Fightbot, I forgot what it was, and it was a little robot, and you were building it with Java and stuff, and you were building some kind of the AI of the bot. So you had radar and different weapons, and you could, and then you test your algorithm with other people, and it was all done in Java. So that's my experience in Java, and at one point I said, oh, you know what, I will focus just on .NET. You know, I hope I'm not wrong, and I'm happy because there's plenty of .NET today. So here the problem we had is 50 is not always, like sometimes the string is not 50 characters, so it's crashing. So we should do something like, hey, if this dot rev the toString dot length is greater or equal to 50, use 50, otherwise just use this. Now we have an incomprehensible line. It's not clear, right? I should put, oh, maybe, you know what, I think I will do a function instead in the object, say the displayable URL. This URL for display? I don't know. In my short URL entity. Could do that, right? In my short URL entity. I could have a public static. I don't need static, but I need it to be string, and it will be displayable, get displayable URL. So all that logic here so let's do something super clean. So LENGTH equal to property URL dot toString dot what? Oh yeah, I'm missing the parentheses. I'm missing the parentheses. Voila. Okay, I was like, what? Why it's not working? Okay, so now we have that. So what we want is if URL if this is greater or equal to 50, return, yeah, we'll do to return. I think it will be better, and it will be URL dot substring, and we do 0 to 50. There it is. Otherwise, return URL. That looks clean. So now, in our page here, just go this, delete all that crap, blah, 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 and go give me the display URL. Bing, bing, bing. That's better. Now you have the long version available on the mouse over. Cool. And it's all working! Yay!
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
I know! Merci, Doctor. Cool. Yeah, that worked. So now we have that. What was again the thing? Yeah, okay, so that's it. We have it. It's displayed correctly. That's it. What else can we do? What else can we do? So that's done. That's done. Great. So we should. Did I stop it? Yes, I stopped it. Stopped it. So yeah, that's nice. So data. Cool. Let's. Cool. So this is done. Add country, protected, multi-redirect. Oh, that's a good one. Don't have time. Don't delete. Yeah, for the don't delete, we'll need to add a soft property, deleted or archive probably, and yeah, have a better grid. That's a thing. Like I'm balancing, because if I use a component, like I think Telerik is having free component, but then we had a dependency, and maybe when I do the WebAssembly.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, hello Wally, how are you? How are you, my friend? How was your week? What's your week like? Here, there's the trend today. I'm trying to figure out what I will be doing this weekend, so I'm looking for a suggestion. What's your plan for the weekend? Maybe I should add documentation to explain how to update. Good. I think my cam is frozen. Oh no. Let's try to fix that. Thank you. Let's switch scene. If I go in this, nope. I look stupid. I am very still, right? Camera. Let's go see the properties. Look like, is it hot? No. Okay, so if you see me frozen, I'm still there. I'm just trying to fix my camera. Oh, and it's the camera that is kind of screwed up. Oh, this is strange. My camera is... Wow, okay, let's see. back? I think I will be back. Yay! That was strange. Thank you, Wally. I was kind of frozen, but I'm back. Okay. It was strange. I think I'm using a fake battery. This camera cannot be used. It's a real camera. A Fuji X-T2. It's a wonderful camera, but like it was not meant to be used as a webcam. And so when you are using it, it cannot be USB charge. So I'm using a fake battery, but I think that fake battery, like I'm using it a lot these days. I think I'm always every day I'm filming something. So I think it's not good. So I might need to upgrade, you know, sadly. Like I need a new camera. I wonder if my wife will accept that excuse. What do you think? What do you think, Claudies? Hey, Jason Ann, I'm back. How are you, buddy? Sounds legit, right? I need a new webcam, but you know, it's kind of pay the bills. Not the money that I do with the stream. That's definitely not something that happens. But you know, like, you know, do that. Still work as an advocate, so only getting project done and stuff. Waking up, first coffee. I only one coffee this morning. Yeah, I wish I had time to do another one. I was helping one of our colleagues that was streaming earlier this morning. Cheer with some 100 bits. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Wally. Wally, are you? Yeah, you are a subscriber. 1 month subscriber. Cool. Okay, so Jason, I know Jason used the tool. So Jason, what we did now is we have, oh, that's the prod version. So let's start again. The branch version, the local version. Maybe I should just start to push it, and then we'll do something else. So what we add today is we add description. So you have now the title. So now you could have a nice thing, and also if you have a very long URL. So see here, that's a very long URL. So when you mouse over, you will see the long version of it. Oh, why I cannot show it? It's small. So it's more concise. You see a lot of information, and now when you edit, you could also edit the title. So I think we'll push that to GitHub, kind of do the merge and everything. And if I have time, I think it will be cool to update. So the next one I think will be that one, the add documentation, because like Jason, it will be clear how to update the tool. I know Jason knows how to do it, but you know, the others like Jason. That's a lot of Jason in 5 minutes. Yeah. And soon, like I think after that will be the soft delete, will be the next feature we should be working on. Though I really want to, maybe soft delete, I will do it off stream, and next time we'll be working on the new UI. But next week, I cannot show you my calendar, but next week we'll be just busy, like crazy busy with build. That would be awesome. I'm excited. Are you excited about what's happening? What's happening? Oh, Mr. Demon Wolf want me to light team? Okay. Okay. I hear you, so let's stop the function and we'll switch. We'll suffer. So, light team. Let's go the default light plus. Oh, this is awful. Thank you so much, Demon Wolf. Well, that's the game. I'm happy you redeem. Oh, you found me from the live coder. Yeah, I'm one of the live coder. I want to rebrand all. So this stream, I didn't say it at the beginning, but this stream is my 97. I've been streaming for about 1 year, and I'm looking forward to change all the UI and stuff. I want to have a bot. I want to have more craziness, cloud focus kind of UI, things like that. This is really light. Maybe I should wear some glasses. Maybe, you know, like KC Neistat style. Should I go like this? This is way better. Now I'm a cool guy. I should work like that, and now you're all suffering and I'm fine. How do you think? Is it cool? Yeah? No, okay, I will. Let's stay. I did that the other day. I'm in the basement and I have a window just over there, and somehow the sun was just passing through the window, and I'm sitting like at a meter of the window. The window was there, and the sun was starting right at the level of my eyes. So I was trying to work, and at one point I saw, you know what, I'll just put some sunglasses. And then I needed water, so I went upstairs to grab some water, and my daughter was like, why are you wearing sunglasses and coming out from the basement? It's like, because I'm very cool. Then I told her, in fact, but I should have said, because I'm very cool. Oh, so you're also a member of the live coder. Nice, nice. So what your streams are about? My eyes are burning and I love it. Wonderful. I think it's just, maybe I will go just this one. Yeah, I think this is a little bit better. I should have multiple teams though. I don't have a lot of teams in light, but when I present it's just because I go default. My eyes are also burning usually at nights because 2 months ago I ordered new glasses, but I cannot have it because the store is closed. So, and the prescription is for reading, and I'm doing that all day long, so I need always to kind of, well, you know, stretch my eyes. So at the end of the day I'm just like, it's very, very painful these days. I need to check the Discord more and meet some. Yeah, it'll be cool. Well, I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came, buddy. Node.js and JavaScript programming. Oh, this is cool. Pretty cool. So that JavaScript, I stopped doing a lot of JavaScript back in jQuery. I think when jQuery turns 2 point something, that's when I kind of low down my JavaScript stuff. So cool. So the feature is done. I think we already pushed it, so I think we should merge it to dev. And yeah, and right away yeah, I think I should merge it to dev, and then oops. title is now supported, and it was part of the it was part of, like, I should have a countdown though. You know what, let's, do I have a timer, something like that? Alarm clock, timer, let's, notification PC only is, oh, I want to put something like, let's put another 5 minutes. There it is. Okay, so yeah, I did the PR, right? Oh, I missed the chat. So yeah, real work and some yeah, that's cool. Okay, well, I will have a glimpse to your stream. JavaScript has changed a lot now these days, and yeah, my point was I'm not up to date in JavaScript. I heard about all those great framework and everything, and I was very tempted to learn a new JavaScript framework, but I decided to focus on C#. So that's why probably in 2 weeks I will start, not next week because it's build and I will be crazy busy, but the week after I think I will start doing some Blazor WebAssembly, so doing C# on the client side. But I'm already doing that right now, but it's a Blazor server side and I want to do client side, so there's no server. It will be like a flat file, and it will be the perfect scenario for that budget-friendly URL shortener. No! Damn it. Close all my windows. Because I want to keep visible the timer. Well, thank you, thank you. Okay, so we should have a PR. Yeah, we have a PR. And now, ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing in the deployment that changed. It was just feature. So I think I'll just do a PR right away. Bring that to cool. So now it's all in dev. Excellent. So we could close our stuff here. If we go back in Glow, we could close this card. No, not this. Close, and yes, I'm sure. Excellent. So now that's perfect. And I think the next one will be documentation. Right? How much time do I have? About 20 minutes? We can start working some documentation. We can do that. So let's switch back to master. We'll pull all the changes. That's awesome.
Alright!
Hey, thank you for the following, Melanie Linard. Welcome to the stream. It's party time. Thank you for the following. Super appreciate it. So we just pushed a new feature in our tools. This is the Azure URL Shortener, and it's a budget-friendly URL shortener that run in your Azure, and it meant to be very cost efficiently. So all the backend now is running with function. Oh, and I can turn back now to darker theme. Whoo! That was something, right? Let's go Mokai Dim. Oh, let's go Night Wolf Dark Blue. Yeah, I like it. Okay. Yeah, and like deployable from GitHub directly. You click this blue button here. It deploys directly to your Azure subscription, and you could run. You have a lot of information here about this project. And if you are new on the website, on the channel, you could do exclamation point commands to see all the commands available for you. And there's some secret like this one that I really like, a little game that was built by Instafluff. Yeah, just for fun. You always can do the drop thing, and if you put an emote beside, you will drop as that emote. And if you land on the target, I put your name with your score in the show notes. Cool. So now we have all that. This is looking good. So now we need doc. So we don't need code anymore. So I could close a few windows, a few VS Code. So that was the. This is the function. This is the node, so this is done. I'm happy. And now that's the project here, the full project. One thing we can do is go and get cracking the board. Grab that thing, put it there. Let's assign it so people know it's started. What? Claim. So just add documentation to show how to update, upgrade. Okay, cool. And I think I had no choice. Eventually I will need to have some kind of versioning. Do you have any suggestion? How should I do versioning? How people do versioning? Like, I mean, this is like evolving very quickly. I should delete my branch. So dev, feature, title, gun. Yeah, how should I do versions? I should have version in some kind of changelog documentation somewhere. And now what I want to do is how to deploy. Maybe I should have how to update, upgrade. How to deploy, you deploy, blah blah blah. Have all the details. Post deployment configuration. Maybe I should have like a here, like how to update, and then another page. Well, it was nice having you on the stream, Gamer. See you next time. Have a good day. Have a good weekend with your family. I hope the temperature is nice. Okay. I'm like, where do I put the stuff? Wonder Rabbit, redeem a light team. You want me to suffer, guys. Okay, fair. Okay. Oh, there's a night old light. Let's try that one. Whoa! I cannot even see the text, or I had nothing open, right? Okay. Wow, this is... Okay, so we should put a timer though. Where is my timer? Did I close it? I did close it. Let's start it again. Boom. 5 minutes of suffering. Why that things pop up? Go away. Okay. So I want to start, and this card is AZURL 50. So let's add that in our notes. We'll be working on AZURL number 50, right? And it's add, though, well, you know, should copy paste. Copy paste is usually a good friend. I'm blind now. No kidding, huh? No kidding. It's kind of intense. I could give you we could go like that. It may be not prettier, but it's less intense. Oh my god. Okay. I should have the other way, right? So someone can use his points to put it back dark. I should. Okay. Where should we put the information? Cloudies, I need your help. I need your help in the chat. I want to put information for how to upgrade. Should I put just here, like, upgrade, and then put a page and everything there? Does it make sense? Something like here. I put a new section called update, upgrade, and to know all the information. Or should I post it? Maybe I should change that title here, say I don't know. Where should I put it? Maybe this is really light. Okay, maybe I should put it right on the first page. Like even the post deployment configuration. Now you don't even need it. Let's add it right now to... Why did I go 4? That's kind of intense. Let's go 3 for... Well, we'll see the result. So, you deploy the Azure URL Shortener, and it's now running on Azure in your Azure subscription. Oh yeah, missing an L here. Cool. Shortener. I don't understand. Oh. Okay. You deploy the Azure Shortener. It's not running in your Azure subscription, but you would like to have the new feature updating is updating your running your current version is, oh, I should do a branch. Let's do a branch. Just doc. I think it will be doc. Documentation. Let's be obvious. Documentation. Documentation. Where I was? Okay. Sorry, Wonder Rabbits, but we're going back to the dark side, to the blue side. I love it. Okay. Updating your current version is, in fact, really simple. Eventually, we should have like a change log for extra step. Yeah, I should, because now, like, if someone already deployed it, we did introduce some new change, not breaking changes, on the last one, so it's very simple. Navigate to the Azure portal, azure.portal.com, and select the understand that that's not really clear for the moment. Oh, I thought I had the screenshot. Here, I didn't save it. Okay, we'll do a bunch of screenshots, but I think we'll continue on the next stream. So what we'll do for now, let's switch the music here. I like the music today. It was a good selection. What do you think? What do you think? Was it good? I think I liked it today. Let's go here. We'll see who's streaming today. And that's... Oh, Eric Charbonneau, Ed Charbonneau is streaming, so we could go see Ed, NPM. I thought it was... Yeah, let's do that. I think I never raid him, so that would be cool. Where is my raid button? What? I don't see my raid button. Oh, yeah, it's there. Found it. It's cool. So, I will thank you all for being with me today on this Friday. I hope you had a nice week, and I wish you the best of the weekend. Good temperature, a lot of tranquility with your family, with your clothes, and I will see you next week. Don't forget, go register to build, but for now, let's jump see Mr. Ed. Bye bye.